Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're gonna be showing you how to remove the front bumper from your 2024 and newer S650 Mustang. Car we're gonna be working on today, this is a non-performance pack GT. If you have that trim level of car, what you're about to see in the video, just follow it to the T. If you have an EcoBoost, a GT performance pack, or if you have a Dark Horse, about 10% of those steps will just ever so slightly differ. Dark Horse cars, you'll have extra retaining hardware, securing the lower closeout panel to the bumper, and then on GT performance pack and Dark Horse, there'll be some ducting within the inner fender splash shield that you have to remove as well. It's nothing invasive. Whenever you start taking everything apart, you'll see what I'm talking about if you have that trim level of vehicle. Obviously, this is a removal video, so if you need to know how to install your front bumper, just reverse the removal steps. We'll leave a list of torque specs for you in the description, but most of this hardware is going to be hand tight. And then I'll also provide a list of tools for you as well. That way you can kind of read through that, scan through your toolbox, make sure you have everything you need. Other than that, we'll get rolling with the removal. To get started, we'll first want to disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the 3 screw type retainers and then remove the battery cover. Now you'll have access to the battery. Raise just the front of the vehicle or support the entire thing with a lift. Remove both front wheels. On the driver's side, remove 8 of the push pins securing the frontward section of the splash shield. The more push pins removed will allow the splash shield more maneuverability. From underneath, loosen and remove the 3 7mm screws along the rearward portion of the lower closeout panel. Go ahead and remove the front lower air deflector. On Performance Pack GT and Dark Horse cars, you'll need to remove the 2 push pins holding the brake cooling duct to the splash shield. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. Loosen and remove the 12 7mm screws securing the lower closeout panel to the front bumper. Roll the splash shield away from the inside lip of the fender. Disconnect the side marker electrical connections on both the driver and passenger sides. Reach into the front bumper from the driver's side to disconnect the main electrical connection. Still on the driver's side, remove the 2 bolts securing the bumper to the fender with a 10mm ratcheting wrench. Use a microfiber towel and a wide pry tool to dislodge the push pin holding the bumper to the fender. Do the same for the passenger side. Next, we'll remove the radiator cover. Remove the 7 7mm screws securing the top edge of the front bumper. Dislodge the small clips securing the front rubber seal to the corners of the core support. Lift the bumper over the pegs and remove it from the car. To reinstall the bumper, reverse the removal steps. After that, you're good to go. All right, people, so that's it. That's how you remove the bumper from a 2024 and newer S650 Mustang. As always, we hope you find value in the information that we provide to you. If you do, consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S650 Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.